What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Jaden, and I am a dividend investor slash long-term investor. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on what you think about this video, and stay tuned for more. But let me get straight to the topic. Today's topic is gonna be about, is the stock market gonna crash? And I'm gonna give my personal opinions on it. Again, you just use my opinions and keep it in your minds. I'm not no time teller or nothing. But I'm gonna tell you why I think, and why is that. So let me get started. So the stock market, as you can see, it had a massive crash back in March 16th. That's the exact date. If you go and look at it, you're gonna see everything just a massive drop because due to the illness that happened. But anyways, I personally believe that whatever happened, and it's no longer gonna have a massive crash like that. You might see some dips here and there, but it's not gonna massively crash once again. That's my opinion, remember. The reason I believe that is because the CARES Act came in and it helped big industries, big companies rebound with all those loans that came along with it. I also believe that the Fed is what's holding the stock market up. The economy can have a massive crash on this side, but that doesn't mean the stock market is going to drop either. The Feds print so much money that they're able just to pump up the stock market and keep rebounding it. So I feel like that's what's going to sustain the market at this point and not let it drop down here. Even though the economy can go like this, the market is going to stay right here or maybe even higher due to the Feds and how much money they're printing and bringing in on this side. So to summarize what I just said, I'm pretty much saying the market had what it had already, and it's not going to go down or it's going to go down obviously, but not a massive crash, because the market has a lot of volume, a lot of volatility going up and down, up and down, up and down, but it's not going to have that huge downfall, that huge dip that happened in March 16th. Again, due to the Feds, due to the CARES Act, due to people just investing in general, I do not believe the market's going to have a massive crash like it did. So I feel like the worst of what happened already happened. So that's just my opinion on it. I want to see your opinion. I want to know what your opinion is. So do me a favor and comment what you think about what's going to happen with the market in the future. Is it going to crash? Is it going to have a massive gain, or etc.? And why you think that? Because obviously, I'm just like you guys. I'm here to learn, and I want to learn more. So please let me know what you think about what's going to happen to the market in the future. Is it going to have a massive crash? Is it going to stay where it is? Or what's going to happen? So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for the support. And let me know what you think about the market and what's going to happen with it. So thank you guys for watching the video. And see you guys.